Our lesson for today is about multiplying integers. In this lesson, you will discover and learn how to multiply integers. And for you to easily understand this lesson, I want you to remember and always apply our rules. There are 4 rules in multiplying integers, but later we will make it 2 rules. Our first rule is when you multiply a positive number to another positive number, the answer is also positive. The small dot there represents multiplication. And when you multiply a negative number to another negative number, the answer is also positive. Another rule is when you multiply a positive number to a negative number, it would give you a negative result. While when you multiply a negative number to a positive number, the answer is also negative. As you noticed in these rules, when you are multiplying two integers with same signs, let's say positive times positive and negative times negative, or we can say them as like signs, the answer will always be positive. So remember that. While on the third and fourth rules, as you noticed, they have unlike signs. Positive number times a negative number, and then the other one is a negative number times a positive number. The result or the answer is always negative. So that is our rule. Remember, class, that when you are multiplying two integers with like signs, the answer or the result will always be positive, while when you are multiplying unlike signs or integers with unlike signs, the result will always be negative. 4 rules, we made it 2 rules only. So in order for us to understand more our rules in multiplying integers, let's consider our examples. Number 1, we have 5 times 4. Remember, class, if there are no signs, it's automatically positive. So the answer is 20. Since they are both positive, so our sign is positive 20. Number 2, we have negative 3 times negative 6. So they are both negative, so same signs. The answer is also positive. So 3 times 6, that is 18. So the final answer is positive 18. Example number 3. Negative 2 times positive 3. So they have different signs, so the answer is always negative. So 2 times 3, we have 6, and again, if they are unlike signs, the answer is always negative. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Example number 4, we have 9 times negative 1. Again, they have different signs. So 9 times 1, that is 9. And unlike signs, when you multiply them, the answer is negative. So 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. Let's proceed to another example. Number 5, we have negative 4 times negative 2. So both are negative. So later on, the answer is positive. So 4 times 2, that is 8. So the answer is positive 8. Let's proceed to another example, number 6. 6 times negative 5. So our rule, if they have different signs, the answer is negative. So 6 times 5 is 30, and the final answer is negative 30. So always remember those rules. Let's check this example. 2 times negative 5 times negative 3. So there are 3 signs. We have positive, negative, negative. So always remember, if there are 2 negatives, so negative 5 times negative 3, that becomes positive. Again, when you multiply the 2 numbers with same signs, that is positive. And then the sign of 2 is positive. So you're going to multiply a positive number times another positive number. So what's the result? Of course, it's positive. So you just multiply 2 by 5, which is 10, and 10 times 3, that is 30. So the sign is positive 30. Okay, so again, let's proceed to another example. We have negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3. So there are 3 negatives on in this example. So the first 2 numbers have same signs, so the result will be positive. And the third number is negative, meaning you will multiply positive number to a negative number. So what is the answer? Of course, that's negative. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So the final answer is negative 6. So I hope you learned from these examples. Again, negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. So let us answer our last example. We have positive 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So if there are 4 integers in the given, you will combine the first 2 integers. So negative times negative, that gives you positive result. While the first 2 numbers or integers have different signs, so it gives you negative. So there are 2 opposite signs now, so the result will be negative. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, that is equivalent to 16. And our final answer is negative 16. Again, 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 equals negative 16. Our rule in multiplying integers: first, to multiply 2 integers with like signs, always positive, and to multiply 2 integers with unlike signs, always negative.